FIRE, FIRE, stands for the Facilities Integrated Resource Environment. The intent was to combine the facility's information that was useful globally, throughout the factory, under one environment. To place all relevant information and documents in one location. Simple limits of access are related to job function. The idea is to maintain control over document distribution and revision control, while allowing different departments to access information relevant to their tasks. Restrictions to sensitive information is maintained by workgroups and subdirectories assigned by the IT department. Sensitive information not common to a department is segregated so that you only have access to information relevant to your work requirements. This system allows users to navigate the plant environment virtually, in order to find room locations, equipment, or personnel, when you know the physical location of the equipment. Intuitive factory knowledge and advantages. 1. Intuitive factory room identification for new employees. This feature allows a person a method in which to search various areas of the facility when they are new and don't know their way around. This is general access. This feature allows them to print your own up-to-date map or view a PDF from a local computer. 2. Maintenance can simply click on a piece of equipment to retrieve drawings in PDF format, markup changes and submit a CAD design for update. 3. A device or machine can be clicked on, and the specification information and asset tag information retrieved. 4. By mouse clicking on the equipment, image information is displayed for the equipment, like serial number, part number, date purchased, the asset number, the manufacturer, and model. Like CAD, you can turn on and off layers, look from perspectives, and various 3D views, and remove items for clarity, measurement and printing. For engineers, the performance specs and accounting information can be cross-referenced in the accounting database for costs for further purchases, repairs or depreciation. Simple to use. Information is available to engineering for design or distribution without modification, or to determine which drawings are needed for any modification or structural design. The system is based on a free CAD viewing system they already owned but never used. A second viewer is available for SolidWorks drawings. Fire Help. Clicking an icon below shows the user the basics of how to use the commands and buttons to operate my system. The basics the help can provide are zooming in and out to specific views, panning about the drawings, printing of documents and views of drawings for references, navigation from area to area of the facility, how to view the asset data encoded in the drawing, how to perform 3D navigation, how to access saved views to save time, measurements of equipment and spaces, shades of color for illustration. Let's select the zoom example. This tool also offers access to facility and company forms. Click the image for the CAD Service Request PDF. Here you can fill out your CRUD or print your CRUD. CRUD? CRUD stands for the CAD Request Utility Document. You only had to fill out your CRUD, and it automatically will appear in the CRAP to be done by the CAD department, meaning me. Everything is tracked and monitored and available for review of statuses in the CRAP. CRAP stands for the CAD Request Activity Program. This tool also offers drawing requests for modification, forms like changes to equipment location, ECN forms, ECO forms, maintenance forms, equipment logs, all via the same web page. CAD requests will be entered into the CAD database for processing. The CRAP program tracks the status of document requests and changes by user and department. Users could then check the database for the status of their requests and see where their request was in respect to being completed. You can check the database for activity and priorities, or contact the CAD manager to request priority changes. The user documents can be filled out either by hand or electronically. I wrote that program in MS Access in my spare time. Perhaps I will display this later. I am always innovating this and more. And no cost rather than buying software seats you will be tied to forever. Yet I am typically undervalued. Seeking engineering employment, while others get training and employment with less skills and less contributions. And the internet says if I complain I will be considered a poor candidate for employment. And when I do not I am offered less pay, less job titles, and, as a contractor, watch others advance and feed their families, while I am not seeing the same opportunities. So I created this website to let people analyze for themselves what I have gone through, done, and capable of. I am just a nice simple guy seeking real employment, and someone in engineering willing to extend the same courtesy, to fill in the missing points of my experience so I can demonstrate proficiency and development in engineering. As well performance that supersedes my peers who have had years to produce results but have not, and have only followed procedures to find excellent salaries, travel, advancement, and a life. My personality has nothing to do with it. I am friendly and typically popular, but typically found at my desk working, while others sip coffee and talk sports and politics. Both not in my scope at work. I work. I seldom take breaks, but expect the same courtesy as your other employees. You just get more from me, because that is what I'm here for. And it's my interest